Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Kayla Jukic here. If you're new, if you're not, hello again. I am finally in Vegas. Thank God. We actually got in last night. Super late. We had a whirlwind of a flight. We were supposed to leave Toronto Pearson Airport at 8 p.m. We were at the airport at like 5:30, I think. Everything went pretty smoothly for the most part because we had pre-checked in. I was just having some issue paying for our luggage, so we just had to go to the front desk and pay for that. And then for US Customs, we actually went on the app. I forget what it's called, my husband knows, but you kind of just like put in all your information ahead of time and then you basically get to skip the line. Like we literally walked right to the front. I literally don't know why more people don't do this, but it was very quick. Like everything was super quick. But we were supposed to leave at 8 p.m. and there were some issues with like traffic at Pearson and like planes taking off and planes leaving the gates and all of this crap. We ended up taking off at 9:45, which was absolutely crazy. We didn't end up getting to Vegas until like 11:30, 11:45. So we got to the hotel at like midnight. It was just chaos, but we're here, so no complaints. Today is obviously our full first day, so I'm super excited. I haven't mentioned it yet, but we are staying at the Excalibur Hotel, which is basically like a medieval castle. It's definitely not super modern, but it's very budget friendly and affordable. We pretty much spent like 800 Canadian each for both our hotel and our flight, which is really cheap for Vegas, so we're not complaining. We're not going to be doing much in here anyways, just sleeping, so no complaints again. I'm going to quickly show you guys the room and then we're going to get the day started. So this is the front door. Here is a washroom. My husband is just in there. This is a closet. I've hung up a bunch of stuff, and then we actually have a king size bed, so huge bed. Honestly, the room is really spacious. As you can see, like there is a ton of room. We got a TV. There is a ton of drawers. Literally all of my stuff is in there. My husband has opted to keep his stuff in his luggage. That's just how he is. There is actually a safe in here. We got a little table. This is the AC. It's just really spacious. This is the view that we have for the room. It's nothing special. Honestly, the castles look super cool, but I mean, we're looking at just like pretty much dirt, which is nothing special, but the castle itself is actually really nice. Hubby's out of the bathroom. This is briefly what it looks like. Honestly, so much space. Huge mirror. They have some like medieval art on the wall. That's the shower. Again, nothing special. This is gonna be my outfit for today. So I'm wearing this like orange tank top from Shop Cider. I have these black denim jean shorts from Zara. And then I'm wearing my black Air Forces because we're gonna be doing a lot of walking. We're staying in the resort tower and we are on floor 25. I believe it's called Resort Tower King Room, something like that. It is like 9 a.m. We slept in a little bit, obviously because of the travel that we had yesterday, but there's also a time change between Toronto and Vegas. It's 3 hours, so we are a little bit off schedule. When we went to bed yesterday, it was 1 a.m. Vegas time, but that was 4 a.m. for us, like what we're used to. So we decided to sleep in a little bit. We're feeling good, and now we're gonna go get breakfast. That was literally the most expensive breakfast. $30. Alan didn't even eat his bagel. It wasn't that good, honestly. Like 5 out of 10. Yeah, it was definitely not worth that amount of money, but we got a strawberry banana smoothie and that was really good. The lighting in here is a little bit weird. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but we walked over to the Luxor. We were already trying to get hustled by some guys trying to sell us tickets, but we're just walking around the Luxor now and it's really cool. The hotel is literally shaped like a pyramid, so like it goes all the way up, and these are all rooms. They have this Titanic artifact exhibition. I'd actually be interested in going to this. This is in the Luxor also. So many cool, like this is so cool. So cool. So I guess this is where the Blue Man Group performs. It's right here. And it says filming in progress, so I don't know if that means a show's going on right now or what. Honestly though, I'm not gonna lie, I read reviews before we came and people said that that show was shit, so we're not gonna go to it, to the Blue Man. So there's the Atrium showroom, so this is where they have like a fantasy show, Carrot Top. I honestly think Carrot Top was from AGT, but you're not sure about that. And then they have a food court, of course, so there's things like original chicken tenders. They got Johnny Rockets and Starbucks. Around the corner, they have this Bonano's, I don't know how you say it, pizzeria, and then LA Subs. Okay, so we were just up there and it was pretty dark. Now we're in the main lobby area and they have some palm trees, just more of these like mummy statues. The lobby is super busy right now. Everyone's checking in. We finally found how to get outside and this place is crazy. Like, just need to show you. So many palm trees everywhere. We're gonna be coming back here tomorrow night. Actually, we have tickets for this America's Got Talent, but this is like the front entrance. This is like a big ass mummy, like so cool. I'm so excited. Like, this is my first time in Vegas. Alan has been here how many times, babe? Like 3 or 4 times. Like, he's been here a lot, but like I mentioned earlier, he hasn't been since he's been legal. At least, I don't know. What did you say, like 18 or 19? I was 19. Probably. Yeah, so he was legal in Canada, but he wasn't legal here. Not that that matters, but just like now we can, you know, drink, we can gamble if we want to. Honestly, not even sure what our plan is. We're just gonna walk. Like, I literally just want to walk. Oh, he's crossing the street. There's also this, we're not sure yet if this is the monorail or the tram. So the monorail you have to pay for. There's a tram that is free, which somebody told us. So not sure which one is which. I do think though that this is the tram. It doesn't take you super far, but just like to hotel for a couple of hotels. Now we walked over, so this is our hotel, the Excalibur. We haven't seen it from the outside in light, obviously, because we came really late last night. I want to find a really cool area to get like a sick picture of the castle. I think it would look so cool. Everything is so dark. So right now we're sitting in New York, New York. We walked around a little bit. They actually have a roller coaster and Alan has been talking about it this whole time. He wants to go on it. I haven't mentioned yet, but there's Hurricane Hillary coming for Vegas right now. It's off of the coast of Mexico, but it's going to be hitting Vegas over the next like 3 days. Of course, with our luck, that happens. So like today it's super cloudy out. It's not sunny, but it's still humid. Like, it's like 30 degrees out. Tomorrow is going to be really bad because it's supposed to be hitting like tonight throughout the night. So we kind of want to get that outdoor activities done. So I think we're going to do the roller coaster now. It's opening in 5 minutes. So we're kind of just sitting in New York, waiting for it to open. It's pretty expensive though. So we're literally going to do it the one time. It's $25 a person. So just got off of the roller coaster. It's literally right there. Honestly, probably could have gone without doing it. My stomach hurt a little bit, but it's fine. It was a one-time thing. That's literally like when at home, like if we go to Wonderland, oh, it's really dark now. As I was saying, like when we go to Wonderland at home, I can go on like 4 or 5 rides and then I'm done. That one, we literally sat at the front. I wish I could have got a video, but obviously I couldn't. Are you gonna tell them?
We got 2 tickets, guys, 2.
We're in, I'm like putting the camera so close so that you can hear, but we're in MGM Grand. We're at the sports betting, what's it called? Sportsbook. Alan's been talking about this place too. We like doing sports bets at home. Usually we use Bet365, but in Vegas you can do like live betting. This is kind of what it looks like. They have so many games going on. They have all of like the odds up there. It's huge, and there's like so many people sitting here watching the games. Just for the fun of it, Alan placed 2 small bets. So he did one $5 bet to hopefully win $47 for baseball, and then he did another tennis bet, $50 to win $87. Okay, it's a little bit later now. Quality's better because I'm using my big, nice camera. Before I was using my vlogging camera, but we decided last minute we're going to Wet Republic. Lil Jon is DJing there, and we spoke to somebody and they put us on guest list, and if we get there before 3, both Alan and I are free. So it's like 2:30 right now, so we're getting ready to leave. We've done so much walking. My feet are killing, but I quickly want to show you what I'm gonna wear. I'm not putting makeup on or anything. I'm just going naked mole rat here, but I'm wearing this 3-piece set from Shein. So this is like a long cover-up skirt, and then the dress, not a skirt, and then the bathing suit is literally the same pattern. Super cute. I'm feeling so bloated right now, like from traveling and everything we've been eating, but it's fine. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Like 9:30, and as you can see, we're literally in bed. We're gonna have an early night tonight. We already slept for like an hour or 2 hours after Wet Republic. It was so much fun, but we don't normally drink, and we had a few drinks, and I think just the time change, and we're just tired, and we walked literally, I think, at least like 30,000 steps today. Like, we're tired. Definitely not the first night I thought we were gonna have, but that's totally okay. I got a sub from LA Subs. It's in Luxor, so this is like a turkey bacon with lettuce, tomato, mayo. It also comes with chips, so I got these Miss Vicky's. Alan got Fat Burger. Yeah, we're just gonna eat in literally early night, so I will catch you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. This is our second full day in Vegas. We had a good night's sleep yesterday. It is about 9 a.m. right now. Honestly, I have been up since like 5:30. I swear the time change is just messing with me so much because we're 3 hours behind what my body's used to. So it's a bit weird, still adjusting to it. As you can see, it is super cloudy out. It was raining. I don't think you guys can see if I zoom in. It was raining all night. Hurricane Hillary is brewing right now. So this is kind of the view that we have. I don't think we're too worried. I think today is probably going to be the worst of it just by looking, you know, on the weather network and watching the news. I think it's just going to be obviously a lot of rain, but I think California is going to be hit with it the worst. So we're going to see. I don't know how much you guys can see, but this is going to be my outfit for today. So this is a two-piece set. I believe it's from Shop Cider. So it's this cute like midi skirt. It has a nice little slit in it. And I'm just gonna wear my Air Force Ones, I think. This is the hubby's outfit. Show them. He bought this sweater yesterday. What's the store called? It's called this Machio? I don't know. Whatever. It's really nice sweater. Today is also our 1 year, our first wedding anniversary. First thing on the list, we need to go get food because your girl is starving. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're at Denny's right now. We're gonna have some breakfast. So I got a classic Benedict with hash browns, and then Alan got 2 eggs, hash browns, bread, and turkey bacon. Honestly, I'm not sure what this stuff is. I hope it's not like spicy. We just stopped here to take some photos. I literally brought my tripod. That is the most like Kayla thing to do. But like, look how beautiful this is. So nice. For the most part, the rain has actually been holding off, which has been really good. I'm really happy about that. But we're right in front of the Bellagio right now, and we're waiting for the water or fountain show that's supposed to start at 11, and it's 11:09, and it hasn't happened yet. So I don't know if it's because it's kind of sprinkling. Like, it's not raining, but it's just like sprinkling a little bit. So I don't know if that's why, but we're just gonna wait. Caesar's Palace. Alan stayed here. How old were you?
I don't know, 10 years ago.
10 years ago? So nice. So we're in Caesar's Palace right now. Before Alan and I came, we were looking at Adele tickets. It's literally right here. You can see her. There's also this big sign of her, and literally the tickets, what were they, $1,000? They were like $1,000 US, which is like, I don't even know, 1,500 Canadian it probably works out to be, which is crazy, but I would love to go see her. Hi, it's a little bit later. I'm in a super duper rush. We have a reservation at Gallagher's, which is a steakhouse at New York in literally 10 minutes, and I needed to speed through getting ready, so did my makeup, curled my hair, wearing this dress from Forever 21. This bag is from Shein. The back is open. Super cute. Okay, I need to go. We're going to AGT tonight. Okay, bye. It's so dark. But we're at our anniversary dinner. It's gonna be expensive.
I need you to scream. I need you to shout. I need you to jump out of your seats and get behind your absolute favorites. Don't forget, anything goes. But there are 2 no-nos. No flash photography and no smoking.
And listen, this is a safe space. So you get 30 seconds to do something, and then you can win a prize. Come on, I know you're trying to win. Where am I about?
Cards at home? A little bit, perfect. So we are gonna make our own special deck of cards. I want you to reach in, you're gonna grab some. We don't need a ton, but get in there, grab some cards. Yeah, go for it.
Ready with the crazy love.